Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens, coming to you from Littleton, Colorado. If this is your first time on one of my videos, hit that subscribe button, my friend. But how is selling more stuff online just like dating? Okay, I'm going to get into it with you right here. If you guys, in this channel, you know, we're trying to make more money online, earn some passive income, live a richer and healthier life, wealth, health, and happiness. I get that from my boy, Ty Lopez, okay? But how do I sell more online, right? We're trying to get some more. Maybe you guys already have a sales funnel in place. If you don't have a sales funnel in place, make sure you get a sales funnel in place, okay? And we're gonna make a video after this. What is a sales funnel? Okay, I'm making note of it. So I bring it to you guys after this. I'm gonna be just raw and real with you, okay? So, but how do we make more? How is it like dating? So let's go over dating real fast. We all been there, right? Hopefully you've been there. So what's the first step, okay? What's the first step to dating? So I see somebody from afar, okay? First of all, you gotta know who you're into. Okay, whether you're looking for a girl or a guy, okay, what they mean about this when it comes to online space is who is your perfect customer. If you sell to everybody, you sell to nobody, okay? If you're like on the street like, hey, who wants to date me? Hey, over there, you over there, you over there, you want to date me? Does that work? Yeah, how often does that work? Okay, you might get a couple in there, but most of the time it's not the ones that you want. You don't want those type of customers, okay? You don't want that type of spouse or dating partner. As you know, just like in dating, you don't want everybody to be your customer. You want one specific person that is a repeat customer that's coming in for more and coming in for more. Okay, so what do? So let's do this logically here. Let's take appropriate logical actions to get a date. What do we gotta do? First of all, step number one, know who we wanna date. Who is it that we wanna date? Okay, what kind of qualities do they have in that person that I'm specifically looking for? A lot of reasons why our business isn't working is we don't know who our perfect customers. A lot of reasons why most people's relationships suck is they don't know who they want their perfect spouse to be. Like when I found my girl, you know, I wrote out all the qualities that I was looking for. And then so when I was going on dates, I had purpose with the dates. Like, hey, do you fit my criteria? I'm looking for a specific type of person here, and you got to have all these qualities. Or next, there's 7 billion people in the world, okay? A lot of relationships get sour and rot because they just take who's ever there. They don't go looking specifically. They don't design their life. They just take whatever comes to them. And you cannot do that in your business, okay? You cannot. You will not make enough money. You won't do it, okay? Because you're going to be going from one bad customer to the next bad customer. And here we're here to maximize our time so we can spend more time with the right spouse or the people we love most. That's why we're doing this, why we're building an online business, okay? So that being said, okay, who is your perfect customer? Now what do we got to do? We got to get their attention, okay? We got to get their attention, and we have to give them value, okay? Everybody's always like, give them value, give them value. How do you give value to your date or something? So say you met this girl online. I'm going to use a girl, okay, guys? Okay, girls, if you're on here, I'm just going to, because from my perspective, it's easier, all right? So I'm in line getting coffee, and girl orders latte, something, you know? She gets her drink, right? I can see that she might need a napkin. So I'm going to grab a napkin, give it to her. Hey, you might need that right there. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, you're welcome. My name's Colton. Boom, okay? The value I gave her was the napkin. That was just to get my in. Okay, now we have to create the conversation beforehand to get her interested so we could swap information so I can go in for the close and get that phone number, right? We're not going in for the sale, right? That's what most of us are doing right off the bat when we're online. We lose logic. And we're like, hey, buy my stuff. Look, I'm online now. Why don't you just go click the link, click the link, click the link, share, do all this stuff for me. That's like going to the date. That's like on this first interaction, I'm like, hi, my name's Colton. Mwah. Right? There's no value built. There's no relationship built there yet. Okay, so we're gonna build this relationship with our customers using video, okay, because video is, is the way to go. It's gonna be more and more and more in the future. Video is gonna be the real deal, okay? I just told myself today, I was walking down here and I was like, you know what, Colton, you're gonna be on video for the rest of your life. And I'm like, damn, that's crazy to think of, but it's the way life's going, okay? You gotta get in this virtual world. But anyway, so how do we build value? So we gotta create conversation. So that conversation you build with the opposite, that person that you're trying to get a relationship with, that you think is cute, you think they're cute, they got the thing, all right, she'd be like, damn, anyways. All right, so listen, so we got to create this conversation. So how do we create this conversation with our business, right? That conversation before the initial get the close, right? What's the phone call first, right? So how do we get that, right? We build a conversation. So how do we build that conversation online? We're going to post videos out here that actually help people solve real problems. Let me say it again. We're going to post videos consistently that solve real people's problems. That's what we're going to do, okay? So when you're building that value online, we're going to solve a problem. A lot of times they didn't even know they had a problem. Like this is a video that's going to teach you how to solve a problem, how to earn more money online. Okay, that's what it's going to do for you. All right. So after you build that value, now you can do your first ask. So the conversation's going good with her. We're vibing. He's vibing. Whatever, the thing. We're vibing. Okay, you can tell it's good. We got some jokes going and stuff. Now she's gonna leave, go on to her everyday stuff, and then so you're gonna throw in a call to action. Hey, go down here below. Click the link. Hey, can I get your phone number and we can maybe go grab something to eat? Okay, I have built trust already. She knows who I am. Okay, now I'm asking. Okay, now for instance, here online, when we're asking for the sale, the first thing is going to be is like an email, so you can get a free book. I'm trying to find my book. Oh, right here. Look. Okay, so for email, you got to have something at the beginning. Okay, just like in a restaurant, they give you a drink first. That's the first thing in many things that you're going to order. Okay, in a dating, it's just get that number. Let's go eat dinner. Okay, so now after you do that, you're going to go from one thing. So the first thing is maybe something free. Okay, after you've built trust and they like and they know you and you've actually helped them solve a problem, then you should say, hey, if you want to learn more, go and get this link here. It's a free book. It's a survey. It's a coaching call. It's something that they get ultimately for free for an email address or very low expensive, like $7, okay? All of mine are like $7. You have to pay for shipping for the free books and stuff, okay? So if you're not willing to whip out your credit card and spend a couple bucks on expanding your mind and getting your brain food, baby, then you ain't part of this culture and it's not for you anyways. Next, okay? So you got to know who your audience is, and that's because I know who I'm looking for. I'm looking for people that want to invest in themselves. These are the people that want to, go places in life and do things and be extraordinary because they're not average. You are not average, my friend. That's why you're on this video on how to earn more money online. Most people ain't even doing that. They scrolling through Facebook, staying entertained, watching Netflix, okay? So the first thing we do is we got to add value. Okay, and think of this like a relationship you're building with your spouse or someone else, okay? The longer you're with them, the more willing they are to do, okay? And the more money that they will buy for different services. So for like instance, you can get this book for free on how to build a digital marketing business and earn unlimited income from anywhere in the world, okay? If you want to learn how to do that, you can get this book for free from me down below, pay for shipping. Okay, now when you get this book, we're going to have other training. So like if you're like, hey, you read the book and you're like, hey, do you know what? That book was freaking awesome. I loved it. Colton, what more do you got? Just like in a restaurant. Dude, I love this drink. This beer was great. What are the entrees? I love me some chicken wings. Give me some chicken wings with that ranch on it. You know what I'm saying? So that's my upsell. So then you can have something like a 15-day training course that you can get for $7. It's inexpensive, but it's one other thing that you can get that's going to solve problems. And then you can go like some people like Russell Branson, and they're selling trainings for $1 million. Okay, these are people that earn online. They're selling people for $1 million that bought their book at the beginning. Okay, and the book was free. It's because the book was valuable and it solved real life problems, and the person thought that they had got more than what they paid for, so they came back. Okay? Selling online is just like a relationship, just like dating. It's just like dating. Okay? Make sure you're giving the person value before you ask something in return, okay? And then at each level, okay, it's going to go like a ladder, okay? This is called a value ladder. This first level is probably a book of some kind, a coaching call, 10-minute training. Then from there, it's going to be like, hey, come, there's this 15-day training course that we have for you. Make sure you get that. It's going to give you the blueprint for everything you need to sell online. Now, after that, you're like, hey, you like that? We actually have seminars every year, twice a year, that you can come for. If you pay this amount of price, we'll give it to you for free. Oh, you like those seminars too? What about these private coaching calls that we'll do for you? Okay, and then after that, then you're like, oh, what about this, this other thing here? The more you have in your ladder, the more money you can make per customer. Okay? Build relationships with people. This isn't throw my link everywhere, hope they buy. You're building a business, okay, that's going to pay for your kids and your grandkids. Okay, did your grandparents plan for their retirement? Probably not. That's why you're building a YouTube video, or else you would already have the money. Okay, so make sure, I'm serious about this though. Go get this book, okay? Serious. Go get this book, How to Learn Unlimited Income Online. It's going to teach you more about sales funnels, value ladders, and everything that we're talking about right now. Everything that I got, there's no such thing as original thought. Everything we think, it came from somewhere else or someone else. Okay? Mine all came from this. Okay? Just make sure you go and get it so you can be ahead of the game instead of behind. Okay? Pick up a book. Because just like you got to bathe and just like you got to eat, you got to get your brain food every day. I love y'all. Peace. Share this video.